Okay, pre-algebra, here is a video just for you on rational and irrational numbers. Remember that rational numbers can be written as a fraction, or they are terminating and repeating decimals. So terminating decimals would be like the 3.2 because it ends, there's nothing after it, no repeat or anything. And then your repeating decimal is like the 0.3 with the bar over the 3. And that would also could be written as 1/3, so that is why it is rational. Then 2/3 is a fraction, -1.5 is a fraction, and then the 0.3838 ... you can see that it repeats, so that is rational, it can be written as a fraction. And then the square root of 36 is rational because it's a perfect square and equals 6. On the irrational side, we have non-terminating and non-repeating decimals, but remember you're not always going to see them in decimal form. Pi is irrational because it never ends and never repeats. Square root of 21 is irrational because it is not a perfect square and so would then never end and would not repeat. And then the 0.18243 ... is irrational because we don't see a pattern set, and so that means it continues in a non-repeating pattern. So those are all irrational numbers. Okay, say we wanted to put some of these on a number line. So I'm going to go to the next page and I'm going to draw a number line. And here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then -1, -2, -3. We'll just put a few of them on there. Okay, say I wanted to do the 3.2. Well, you guys should know where that is. I'll do it in red. 3.2 would be about right there, so we're going to write that above it. The square root of 21, if we look at that one right there, square root of 21 is between the square root of 16 and the square root of 25, which is, this is 4 and this is 5, so the square root of 21 will be between 4 and 5. We add a 5 on there. And it's a little bit closer to the 5, so I would put the square root of 21 about right there. Does everyone see that? And then the 0.3 with the repetin, this one here, would then go just right here. 0.3 with the bar. There we go, trying to get that done. Then -1.5 would be right here, -1.5. I think that's enough examples of that. Then the other thing you're going to have to do is say what a square root is between. So say I had the square root of 312. Okay, so you're going to look at your square root table and see that 312 comes between the two perfect squares of 289 and 324, which is square root of 289 is 17, and the square root of 324 is 18. So 312 is between the numbers 17 and 18, and it is closer to the 18. So we're going to circle the 18. And I think that's it that you needed to know. Of course, you can always email me if you have questions, and I will see you guys tomorrow.